how to add money to Steam wallet with gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add money in your Steam wallet with your gift card. So first of all, just open your Amazon account in your smartphone, and after that on the search bar just search for Steam store and just search for it. And here when you will scroll down, you will see so many options of gift card available of Steam. So just click on the preferred Steam gift card that you want to add in your wallet. For example, this particular gift card. And after that, just scroll down, and here you have to mention your email address and the message on the gift card that you want to receive. So if you're sending this gift card and want to add the money in your Steam wallet, so make sure to add your personal email address to which you have the access, because the Steam will send you a wallet code in the email address, and that wallet code you have to mention in your Steam account. So make sure to enter the right email address over here, and once you enter the email address, after that just click on buy now and complete your purchase while adding a payment method and making the payment. And once you are done making the payment and added the amount required, just open your Steam account, and after that just click on the hamburger icon from the top left corner of your mobile screen, and here just click on your username, and now just zoom in and click on the profile icon from the top right in your mobile screen, and after that just click on the account details where your account username is also written. So just tap on it, and here when you will scroll down, you will see the option called add funds to your Steam wallet. So just tap on it, and now when you will scroll down, you will see under your Steam account, you will see these two options like see my account details and redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. So just click on redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code, and here on this page you have to enter the Steam wallet code that you have received in your email address while making a purchase through your Amazon account while purchasing a gift card from there. So just mention the wallet code that you have received in your email address and click on continue. So this way you will be able to add money to your Steam wallet with your gift card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.